All right. All right. I just got back from the food bank. All I can do is say a prayer. I got so many of the delicious things from the food bank. I'm going to show you guys my food bank haul. It's delicious. All right, guys. I just got back from the food bank. I'm going to show you my haul. My food haul. Hold on. Let's get into my goodies. I got pinto beans. Ooh. I have rice. You guys know I have my dry milk. It comes in so handy because I don't drink milk. I got kidney beans. I got great northern beans. I got me some cut green beans. I got mustard, diced tomatoes, cream of celery, cream of chicken, diced carrots, potatoes, canned potatoes. Have you guys ever tried canned potatoes? I thought they were yucky, but those are awesome. It's like eating fresh potatoes. You can make mashed potatoes out of these. They are so good. Broth, chicken broth. I use that to season my canned beans and stuff like that. Then we got pollock fillets, wild Alaskan pollock fish. This is so good. Got some chicken thighs. You guys, my neighbor just brought me over these chicken leg quarters. I forgot I got those. Those are what I picked out, but the chicken thighs are what they gave me for a surprise gift. They always throw you a little surprise meat in there. So I got the chicken leg quarters, chicken thighs, and filet pollock fish. With me eating one meal a day, do you guys think I'm going to eat all this stuff up this month? No. All right, you guys. Got eggs. They also give out milk, but I didn't get any milk because I don't drink it. Got me some canned chicken. This is great for making chicken salad, chicken pasta salad. I got fruit, mixed fruit. I got little apple sauces for snacks. I got some, let me see, what are these? Frozen sliced apples. Look at there. I got pasta bow ties. I can make some chicken pasta with those. I got some corn muffin mix. This makes great cornbread. Got me some Hungry Jack pancake mix. Got the pancake syrup. I even got some, I even got some apple juice. Yum, yum, yum. You guys, this pantry gives you paper towel. You can get a roll of paper towel. You can get 4 rolls of toilet paper. This pantry takes care of you. Dishwashing liquid for your dishes. Laundry detergent for your laundry. And then when it's all said and done, they give you a box full of fresh vegetables or fruit. I got kale, sweet potatoes, plums, lime, apples, tomatoes, zucchini, and bananas. So you guys, I will not be going grocery shopping. I will not need any more food for probably another month or so, unless I run out of some necessity. Who is that? Unless I run out of something that I really need. But yeah, this non-fat dry milk works wonders for me when I need it in a recipe. I just hook it up, put it in the fridge for a little bit, let it sit there, and when I need it for a recipe, let's go. And it's just wonderful, wonderful things that I got from this food bank, and I'm just really grateful, really thankful, and I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you continue to watch. And next, we're doing a yard sale tomorrow, so stay tuned. Looks like life with Charlene is lifing. All right, you guys take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.